Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alright, now we're gonna make a CRUD or create, read, update, and delete PHP using a template. So the template is called AdminLTE. Let me show you. Here, AdminLTE.io. So you're gonna need this. Just download it. So where you can download it, it's from here, the source code. Just click on it and yeah, start download. I'm not gonna download it because I've already done it before. So when you're done downloading it, you're gonna go to the file where your file is, I mean the AdminLTE, of course. And then let's check it out, the file. Yeah, let's just, for example, let's use VS Code or Visual Studio Code. Open your file, open folder, and then your file, AdminLTE, select folder. Here it is. There is so much file here actually, but we don't need all of this. We only need some of it. Okay, first of all, you're gonna need to open up your SAMPP. Okay, don't forget to open SAMPP control panel and then hit the start. Your Apache and MySQL, make sure to start it first. Once you've done that, go to your SAMPP folder and then htdocs and make a new folder called whatever. I'm just gonna call it AdminLTE. Here. Now I'm gonna copy and paste my AdminLTE file, but not all of it, only the one I need. So I only need here index, I think, yeah, index, and dist, and then docs, plugins, and build. Okay, we're gonna need that. Hit Ctrl C or copy and then paste it to your new folder. Okay, once it's done, open up your Visual Studio Code. Okay, so this is just for checking. Okay, it's not really necessary, or yeah, you can go live and check the HTML. Okay, so this is it. This is AdminLTE 3. So it is basically just a template for database. Yeah, pretty much it. When you need something like, yeah, this calendar, you can copy and paste it to your HTML or website, or yeah, you can't find anything here. You can find pretty much anything like this general, okay, theme, colors, and alerts, call out, also buttons here, and yeah, etc. There is so much things here. like this toggle button, checkbox. Yeah, you can find out more. Just download this and then you'll see yourself. Alright, so after you create the file, which is AdminLTE file for me, you're gonna open the folder, and then since we want to do, or we want to make a PHP CRUD, so we're gonna rename it to .php here. Like so. And then after that, let me show you the steps. So okay, you can't open it anymore because this is HTML, so you must open it from your local host and type in your folder. This one here, I have AdminLTE, so AdminLTE slash index php. Okay, here you're gonna pick up whatever you need, anything you need. So for example, I only need this, and I will throw away other than this dashboard. I mean this section right here. Only this, I only need this, and some navigation bar also. The maybe the dashboard title, I will keep it, but other than that I will delete it. Just simply of course, delete your code, the script which is direct your stuff, your element here. You can inspect it, and then here, from here, you can just click it wherever, like there, and then you'll navigate this section to the main section, I mean the parent section here. So this is the div. We found the div. We want to delete this main row, so just simply delete. This is, for example, to implement your code, but it is not safe. I mean, it's not gonna save your progress. So of course you gonna do it in the HTML, I mean in the VS Code, or whatever you use, the program you use. So that was just for example for implementation. If I hit Ctrl Z, it will go back or undo the progress, like so. So let's look for main row here. Simply just click Ctrl plus F on your keyboard, and also you must do it inside of your file, not on your Explorer bar here, not here. If you click Ctrl F here, you'll only search here, so make sure to open the Ctrl F or search bar from your file. Okay, what we're gonna search is, what was that? Sorry, I forgot. Okay, main row. Type in main row. Okay, right here, we got it right here. So we're gonna delete this main row, all of it. Here, hit delete and then save and refresh the browser. Okay, it's already gone now. Also, I want to make this as a header. I want to make this section as a header section. So make another file called header.php and then include your file, your header, I mean your header here inside. Sorry, let's figure out where is this exactly by inspect the element, and then let's see the div or the class. Okay, it is here in the container fluid. Okay, in the section class, so it is the main content. Let's find out. Okay, right here, main content. Let's move it to the header. Hit save, don't forget to hit save, and then include your PHP here. Okay, first make a PHP, and then include your header PHP here. Yeah, like that. Don't forget to close it also. Hit save, then let's see, refresh the browser. Okay, it is still here, but it is divided. I mean, it's not in the same index PHP. For example, if I delete this, hit save, and then see it is gone, it means it works. I will undo the progress. Let's see one more time. Okay, now it's in the header section. Alright, so what we're gonna do next is okay, maybe delete. I will delete this. I will remove all of this except for forms section here. So yeah, just simply inspect and let's see. So it is in the OS. Oh, no. Let's see. Oh yeah, sidebar. Is it in the sidebar? OS padding? No, I think not that. Preloader. No. Oh wait. Let's do it one more time. Okay, I found it finally. It is here. It's the sidebar. So we're gonna delete the sidebar. Or okay. Let's make another one called sidebar PHP. We're gonna separate it from the index. So where is it? Let's search for sidebar. Okay, there is plenty of sidebar here. We only need just sidebar, not control sidebar or sidebar menu, etc. Okay, here it is. Main sidebar. Okay, this one right here. Yeah. Okay, this one. We got it. Let's cut to the sidebar and then include. Okay, let's check it first. Let's check it. Hit save and then back to the browser. See if it is the right thing. Okay, this is the right thing to do, guys. So next, we only need the form, and okay. Let's include the sidebar PHP right inside the line from where you deleted the sidebar just now. Okay, you got it. Okay, just include PHP here. Include, yeah, sidebar PHP. Hit save. Okay, now we have it. So I want to remove this, all of this, except the forms, right? Okay, so the forms has general elements, advanced. The forms has the other. I don't know what is it. Okay, this thing you got it. You get. So when you click forms, it will have this appears as using JavaScript, right? So what we need to do is search for forms. Okay, we found it here. Forms. So it is in the paragraph. Okay, this line here is form. I'm gonna mark it. And other than that, we don't need it. So we just gonna delete it. The Lee, okay, only from Lee, not the all. We're gonna delete it until this mark, before this mark. So here, and then below that. So this closing Lee is here. So we're gonna delete. So I'm just gonna mark it. We're gonna delete this. Wait. Okay, here the closing here, the closing tag here, and the opening tag there. I want to delete this. Start from there along the way to the last Lee. Okay. Wait. Oh, I forgot to hold shift. Okay, delete. And then save it. Let's see. Alright, we got it here. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna remove this also. The search and the profile picture here. It's not really necessary now for now, but if you gonna keep it, it's okay. It's alright. It's up to you, but for me, I don't really like it. So let's delete it. This one also, sidebar user panel. So that was okay. I'm just gonna undo the progress. It is really obvious, right? The search bar, so we don't need to search again by holding Control Shift. It is really obvious written here, sidebar search form. So I think that is the point. So you can pretty much just delete this one too, and then hit save. Let's see. Okay, now we're done. And now let's rename the column here. I think I gonna need only one column for now, just for learn, for example. Yeah, so it is general element. Other than that, let's delete it. Okay, let's see the end. Okay, here, from here, hit save, refresh, and okay, it is only one appears now. And then let's name it what is it, forms. No. um okay, let's name it whatever, bro. You can name it whatever. Menu, okay, menu. I'm naming it menu. Okay, like so. Now what we're gonna do next is let's format the document to make it look better. Oh, it's better. This one also, format the document, hit save, and then okay, we're gonna input something here inside of this body. So let's input okay, this is first of all just open up your your main file, admin LT here. Alright, so I'm gonna need forms, of course. Here, okay, form in the yes, general elements. We're gonna use the yes, just we're gonna use this general elements itself. So other than that, we're gonna remove it. Okay, same way as before, inspect to make it easier, and then here we have it. So it is card warning. You can copy and paste it here also, actually, directly to the browser, and then inspect, right click, copy element, paste it inside of your code, your VS code, and then put it somewhere inside the, I don't know, just put it here first. Control V. Let's see the output. Okay, it's still messed up. So it should be under the header. Okay. Sorry, coughing. Alright, here it is better. But let's see. We need a container. Okay. Not directly to the, to this section. We need something. We need the container. Or let's make another file called form.php, and then put your form that you copy and paste it before just now. Where is it? Okay, I'm just gonna do undo. This one, and then the form general elements here, this one. So inside the card warning here, we actually need a container, right? Okay, we shouldn't delete this actually. Or okay, we copy this, all of this section content here, copy the element and then paste it here, hit save. Let's see the output. Okay, we didn't include the form PHP yet, so include it. PHP form PHP. Okay, we have it right here now, and then we don't need all of this, we only need this general elements. So let's delete other than general elements, but you gotta be careful, be gentle for choosing the right form. Okay. Form start here. So this is the form start. Let's see the name of this form. So that was, which one is it? This one, card warning. So let's find out warning. Okay, this one, general form elements disabled. Why is it disabled? Oh yeah, this is the one. Okay, that's right. From general form elements disabled, this one. we're gonna copy, or no, just delete other than this warning card. But first, let's format document, or yeah, Shift Alt F. Okay, close this first. Shift Alt F to format the document, and then you'll see here. So you don't delete the form. I mean, in the blue rainbow here. Okay, so only delete which one? General forms element warning. Okay, only delete this from the blue rainbow. I mean, from the yellow rainbow, and avoid delete elements on the blue rainbow. I highly recommend you to use this extension, so it will make the colors, the file more colorful. So the extension is indent rainbow. So like I said, avoid deleting elements outside of the blue rainbow here, blue color. So here, find the yellow. So okay, the last yellow is here, so we're gonna delete this until this one, or this one, or this one. Actually, delete, and then here, this div. Okay, this yellow line all the way to the yellow here. Oh no, there's more here. All right. Delete it. Delete the command, hit save, and let's see the output. Okay. So we only need this one, or okay, from this general element I want only this one placeholder right here. So I don't need this text disabled and all of this. So again, delete all other than, which one is it? The text, or let's inspect. Okay, the text input. Okay, the text input. So delete other than text input. So let's delete this here. This is the form, so make sure not to delete the form, but we're gonna delete the inside of the form other than the text. This one we don't need. This one, delete this. Hit save, and let's see the output. Hit refresh. All right, we have only one here. Also, this is the card warning. We don't need this command. Delete this. But no, don't delete the div. Okay. Format. All right. um Now I will multiple it. I will make it multiple. So what I mean is, I will make another text input here beside, and then another one here in the bottom, and the bottom right also. So there is four text label, I mean text input. So simply just copy and paste it from here. Or hold your alt shift plus arrow down, multiply it to 4, hit save, refresh. Alright, so it should be next to each other because this is the column, so we can't do that. Alright, so let's make, or let's delete this column here, left column. Okay, let's delete the left column with the div. Where is the div? The closing div here. Okay, delete this and this. It kind of messed up. So do we need row? Actually, let's see. Okay. Okay, so we don't need the row. We don't need the row, so yeah, you can delete it. And oh, okay. I know what I should do. What's wrong? I know what's wrong. So delete this. We don't need this. We don't need this. We only need the copy from this call as m6. Make it 4 times, and let's see the output. Okay, yeah, like so. Here it is. And then change the label. Let's see, let's type, make it type, and then the second one will be stock, maybe stocks. And then okay, first one will be code. Let's make the first one just code, and then type. Then the third one will be, what was that? Oh bro, I forgot. What was, okay, code, no, type, and then, I'm so sorry, label. Oh, stocks, yes, stocks. It should be stocks. And then the last one will be price. Let's rename it to label instead. No, label. Yeah, label, type, stocks, and price. We have it. also I want to replace it or change the enter placeholder here, all of it. So just by holding alt and then click it one by one and delete this, enter and insert a new one, insert here placeholder, replace that words. Okay, insert here. All right, now yeah, we're gonna direct this menu to this label, I mean these forms. Or no, we need a button to submit. We need a button. Where is it? Here. So let's check out the button. Let's check out the button. It's somewhere here. Okay, this one. Buttons, and select one of them, whatever you want. Here I'm gonna use this one. I think the small button here. Click inspect and then simply copy and paste it. Copy element and then paste it into your form PHP. Here. Also we need div, another div, right? Okay, not here. So inside, still inside of this class row here, make another div and then paste the button there, and we will see it here, success button. Let's make it class call sm. Let's see what it looks like for 6 sm6. Okay, this is too big, just make it 1. Yeah, okay, this is better. And let's change the text to submit. Okay, now we have it. Also we need to change this button type to submit. Hit save. Also need form in the form tag, in the opening tag of from form, we need method post. Okay, and then okay, that's it, I think. And to make it more simpler, I mean more short, to make the video more short, so I will do the rest of create, add and delete here later, and I'm gonna skip the process and we'll explain it later when it get done. Okay, so what you're gonna do next is creating a new database or new table. Here I have created a new database in the menu. So my database, what I'm gonna use is menu, and then inside the menu we have table, that is AdminLTE here. So simply just create a new table which include ID and then table, I mean label, type, stocks and price. and so this is the columns with type. For the id, it's integer 11 digits with auto increment and primary key. And then for the label we have varchar 13. Also the type and the price is varchar with the 25 and 255 digits. Also the null is set to yes except for the id. Okay, here we have the label, I mean the table. So we get to the code, the VS Code. So first, what you're gonna do next is create this connect PHP, and then here I'm gonna break them down one by one, the code or the script. So in this connect PHP we have host, $host, localhost, and then username, root, pv, pw, none, database menu. So what it means is, first, host, these variables store the connection details for the MySQL database. So it refers to local host, this local host here, and then the username is set to root. It is basically the store where I stored my database, which is in the internal storage. And the password, this is the password of SAMPP, which is usually none or no password. And then here for the con, this one con here, it's the variable for the connection. So in the variable of connection in here, there is MySQLE underscore connect, and then this variables, which is this one up here. So you include my ASCII, my SQL connect, and then include the variables inside this variables. Okay, yes, this. So basically this is the basic connect connection PHP, you know. And then if the connection doesn't exist or no connection with this symbol, means no connection, then it will die, and then showing an error or the text will be connection error, and then MySQL connect error. Okay, that's it. And then that's for the connect PHP. And then let's go ahead and create this new file called create PHP. So in this create PHP we have to include the connect PHP. So you will need to input this connect PHP inside of this create PHP. Alright, and then make a new conditional here, if server. So this one means if server request method post. This one means this condition is checking if the request method is post. This means that the code block will be executed when a form is submitted using a post command, I mean post method. Okay, I will show you later. And then the label this variables here, all of this label, I'm sorry, here label, type, stocks, and price here means are these lines retrieve the value submitted via the post request from the form fields, which I will show you later, with the corresponding names, label, type, stocks, and prices. I mean price only, price, no s. Okay, and then these values are stored in variables for further processing. And then for the SQL, I mean $SQL here, insert into AdminLTE. This means this line construct an SQL query to insert the submitted data into a table named AdminLTE. Insert into my table here, my AdminLTE table, which I created before, and then the values of the variables is label, type, stocks, price. So the variable of, I mean the table, inside the table there is label, type, stocks, price, and then the values of label, type, stocks, price is going to be inserted. And then if con query SQL true, this means that this block checks if the SQL query was executed successfully. So if it is connected successfully, it will redirect you to the header, which located in the index PHP here, our index PHP here. Okay, so if this is connected well or correctly, it will direct you to the index PHP. Else, or it's not connected, it will show you an error message, error. And then the SQL variables break, and what is it? The variables connection error. And then yeah, this is the close tag. This line closes the database connection. Yeah, that's for the create. And then for the delete, or we're going to form first. Okay, so this is the form which I talked earlier here in the create. So in this form there is a PHP file here, I mean PHP element on the very top of the file. So we must include first connect PHP here. Yeah, this one we must include this connect PHP, and then make a new variable called result, and this variable executes an SQL query on a table named AdminLTE. So it's gonna select all the query from AdminLTE table. And then also this is just the form we did earlier. And then okay, here or wait, okay, so before that we just include this general element, right? So there is no data table. You can pick the data table from AdminLTE3 and then go to the tables here and then data tables and copy this value, this table here. So yeah, just inspect and then copy paste it into your HTML, or you can open up your AdminLTE in your VS Code, whatever you wish, whatever you prefer. For the example here, just copy this card and paste it inside your code, inside your VS Code, and then only take what is necessary. So for me here, I only need this header, so I deleted these buttons here and search engine, search column here. I don't need it, the search bar, and then these buttons we deleted before, I've deleted before, so I only need this, only one header or the title column. Yeah, just pick it whatever you prefer, whatever you need. Okay, so here also you can change this this title to whatever you wish. Here I've changed it into data table, here data table, and then I only pick some of the code here, only this, right? And then I've changed the title to my preference, so I need no or number, and then label, type, stock, price, and one more action. So I add this manually, the action button here, the action column. So it was supposed to be like this, but I make an addition, one column, so it will be like this for the column, for new column here. So after that you will input the PHP element inside of the T body here. So don't delete the T body, just keep it there, and then insert the PHP inside of the T body. Okay, and then here I'm gonna break down each code. So again, include your connect PHP inside of your form PHP, to be exact, inside of the T body here, and then make the variable result con query select all or stars from AdminLTE order by ID ascendant. This is ascending, not descending. So it will create to the bottom, it will create automatically from the bottom. You'll see it later. So this is ascending, ASC means ascending, and then if the condition is if result num rows 0, this means this line is checking if there are more than 0 rows returned by the query. So, and then after that, while we have while row result fetch associative. So what it means is this line starts a loop. So this while is a while loop that iterates over each row of the result set. For each iteration, it fetches the next row as an associative array and assigns it to the variable row here. And then the echo is the output of the HTML table. Echo tr is the table, and then echo. So echo basically is the display. If you want to display, if you want to show something, use echo. And then echo td. The td is sequence. What is it? It's a container which include which containing values from the columns, which is id or label or type, stocks, price, and etc. And then this is the end while loop, and for this else, if this is not applied, then it will show 0 result. So it will show this result, 0 result. So I'm not sure why is it up here, not below the table, but yeah, we're just gonna keep it like this. I don't know how to fix it yet, so just keep it like that for now. And then yeah, that's it for the form PHP. And then get into the next file, which is edit file. Here we have to include connect PHP again, as always, and then if server request a method post, this means this block checks if the request method is post. Okay, so this means that this code block will be executed when a form submitted using the post method. So the type, the button, where is the button? So this is the submit button here. If we click the submit button, it will apply this the create one. It will apply post. So let's see the form. So the form has method post, and then the action is create PHP. So this action, the method post will execute the post method that we created before here. Post request method post, and then another one is here, edit, in the edit section, in the edit file. Method post, same, it is the same. So okay, let's continue the explanation, the breakdown. Okay, so this is basically just the variables of your label of your table, and then for this SQL table sorry, it is a command to update or edit your AdminLTE table to set the label or set the type or stocks. Here I'm gonna show you. So okay, I'm just gonna show you the example. the example here. When I create a new label, let's see the label, let's say random words up to 13 digits. So 4, that is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, just 10. Keep it like that. Then the type, this is the type of the goods. So I will type it close. For example, stock is 40, and then the price is 100, for example, and then submit, and then we have it here. Also, I want to include one more data. So the label will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Use capital or caps lock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like that. Then the type is, for example, shoes. Stock. The stock is 89. The price is 9,000. Submit. Okay, we have it here. So that's the example. So for the edit, we're gonna update AdminLTE set label and type stocks price. Where is it? So it's in the ID. So it will appear in the ID. So the number is basically the ID that we created here. So when I edit here, when I click edit, okay, so this is the page. It will redirect you to the new page, and I made this only simple page for the example. You can customize it yourself using CSS or Bootstrap or anything. So here, for example, I'm gonna change the type to t-shirt. Update, and then it changed. It will be updated. T-shirt into t-shirt. So just like that. This one just like I explained it earlier. This one also, it will close it, exterminate the close. It will close the connection. Else, if it is not connected or that it can be edited, it will be oh, no, the else update is here. If it is not updated, so it will show the error message, and then this else is from this condition, which is request post. If it is, if it is not requested, if it is not posted, so this code or this command will get executed. And then yeah, so in summary, this code handles both the display of the form for editing, so this is the form for editing, and the processing of the form submission. So when the form is submitted, it updates the corresponding record in the AdminLTE table, and if successful, redirects the user, the user table. No, it will redirect you or the user to index PHP. So if we update if you click update, it will redirect you to the index PHP. It will take you back to index PHP. So, and then if there is an error, like I said, where is it? It will print an error message, and here an error message, and finally it closes the database connection here. Okay, that's it for the edit PHP. And one more here is delete. This is the simple. This delete is very simple, not as much as index or form, or the simplest connection. The simplest connection, I mean the simplest file is delete and connect. So again, you need to include connect PHP, and then for the ID, this line retrieves the value of the ID parameters from the URL query string, and this is typically passed as part of the URL when the user, or when you clicks a link or submit a form. So this is the meaning of the ID variables. And for the SQL, delete form AdminLTE, where ID is it will construct an SQL query to delete a record from the AdminLTE, where in the table, I mean in the ID okay, in the ID variable. And then if con query blah blah blah, this one will block and will check if the SQL query was executed successfully. If it was, it redirects the user to index PHP using this header, location index PHP. If there was an error, it will print an error message, as usual. And finally, this line closes the database connection. So that's it. This delete PHP code handles the deletion of a record from the AdminLTE table, and then based on the ID parameter passed in the URL, it constructs an SQL query to perform the deletion, executes the query, and then either redirects the user to index.php on success, or displays an error message if there was a problem. Okay, so that was the code. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Okay, so for example, I'm gonna delete this. Number 2, hit delete. It will refresh the browser, and then it's gone, as well as the database here. There is no ID number 2, it's gone. Okay, so basically that's it, what we learned today here. Okay, nothing else I gotta say. So thank you so much for watching this video, and see you in the next video.